Let's get right into it. Number 1. Always breathe deeply. Deep breathing sounds relaxing until you do it wrong. Most people interpret it as inhale huge amounts of air, which actually lowers your carbon dioxide levels and makes you lightheaded. Fun fact, CO2 isn't a waste gas. It helps your body use oxygen effectively. When you hyperventilate under the guise of mindfulness, your blood vessels constrict, your brain gets less oxygen, and your stress actually increases. The correct way? Slow breathing, not deep gasping. Otherwise, you're just turning calm meditation into a panic attack simulator. Number 2. Use detox teas to lose weight. Spoiler: if your weight loss plan includes a bathroom emergency, it's not working right. Detox teas are just laxatives in fancy packaging. They don't burn fat, they dehydrate you and make the scale lie for a few hours. Long term, they can cause nutrient loss, electrolyte imbalance, and dependency, meaning your gut forgets how to work without chemical help. So yeah, you'll lose weight, but mostly from water, dignity, and trust in marketing. Number 3. Rest is for the weak. Grind culture strikes again. You've seen it. Sleep is for the lazy. You can rest when you're dead, etc. Congratulations, you're now sleep-deprived and biologically falling apart. When you skip rest, your cortisol levels spike, your immune system tanks, and your brain turns into a buffering YouTube video. Sleep isn't just recovery, it's maintenance. It's when your brain takes out the trash. Literally, it flushes toxins through the glymphatic system. Without it, you age faster, think slower, and crave worse food. But sure, keep bragging about your 4 a.m. hustle while your neurons are sobbing in the dark. Number 4. Always use hand sanitizer. You'd think rubbing alcohol on your hands every 10 minutes makes you some kind of germ-fighting superhero. But here's the plot twist. Your skin and immune system actually need to meet a few germs now and then. Constant sanitizer use kills the bad guys and the good bacteria that protect your skin barrier. It's like nuking your entire village to get rid of one mosquito. And bonus, alcohol-based sanitizers dry your skin out so badly that microscopic cracks form, making it easier for bacteria to get in. Irony level, chef's kiss. So, unless you're performing surgery or touching something straight out of a horror movie, soap and water are more than enough. Otherwise, congrats. You've officially turned your hands into a barren wasteland. Number 5. Eat every 2 hours. Somewhere along the line, someone decided your metabolism is a fragile fire that dies without a snack every 120 minutes. In reality, your digestive system is more like a factory. It needs downtime. Constant eating keeps your insulin levels high and your fat burning low. Plus, your gut needs rest to clean itself through something called the migrating motor complex. Basically, your intestines' Roomba. But if you keep shoving snacks in there, that Roomba never gets to run. So if you're eating small meals all day because a fitness magazine told you to, congratulations. You've accidentally put your metabolism on a 24-hour shift with no lunch break. Number 6. Avoid fat at all costs. Remember the 90s, when everything was low-fat and fat-free? Yeah, that was the era of cardboard-flavored cookies and terrible science. Fat isn't your enemy. It's literally what your brain and hormones run on. Avoiding it completely can mess with your mood, memory, and even your libido. Your body uses healthy fats like omega-3s to repair cells and regulate your entire system. Without them, your body starts waving the low battery symbol. So stop treating avocado like it's a guilty pleasure. It's brain lube. Number 7. Drink water all day. You've heard this one a million times. Stay hydrated. Like, sure, hydration is important. But somewhere along the way, people started treating water like a magical detox potion that flushes away sins. Here's the thing. Overhydrating doesn't make you healthier. It actually messes with your body's electrolyte balance. Imagine you're refilling your phone battery constantly, even when it's still at 90%. Pointless, right? That's your kidneys right now, filtering water they didn't ask for. Drinking water non-stop can dilute the sodium in your blood, leading to something called hyponatremia. It sounds fancy, but it basically means your cells are drowning, your brain puffy, your muscles weak, and your body's like, I was doing fine before you tried to become a human fish tank. So yeah, stay hydrated. But if you're sipping water every 10 seconds because of a TikTok wellness challenge, Maybe chill. Number 8. Avoid all salt. Ah yes, the health guru classic. Salt is bad. Throw out your salt shaker. But your body literally needs sodium to survive. It's not some villain hiding in your fries. It's what keeps your nerves firing and your muscles, Muscling without enough salt, your blood pressure drops. Your brain feels foggy, and standing up suddenly feels like trying to walk on a ship during a storm. Ironically, cutting salt too hard can make you crave junk food more, because your body is screaming for minerals. So while everyone's out here preaching no salt, your cells are quietly plotting mutiny. Balance, people. Salt isn't evil, it's seasoning and survival. Number 9. Never skip breakfast. Remember when every cereal ad told you breakfast was the most important meal of the day? Yeah, that was Kellogg's marketing, not science. Skipping breakfast won't ruin your metabolism or make your organs stage a protest. In fact, studies show that intermittent fasting, or, just eating when you're actually hungry, can improve insulin sensitivity and energy levels. But sure, keep forcing down dry oatmeal at 6 a.m. just because an ad from 1987 said so. Meanwhile, your body's like, bro, I just woke up. Why are we eating a full meal before I've even processed existence? Breakfast isn't evil, but it's not sacred either. The real rule? Eat when you need to, not when you're told to. Number 10. Take vitamins every day. Ah yes, the multivitamin. Those colorful little pills that make you feel like you're upgrading your stats in a video game. But here's the catch. If your diet is even halfway decent, most of those vitamins are just expensive pee. Seriously. Your body's like, thanks for the extra B12, and then immediately dumps it into the toilet like it never happened. Worse yet, taking too much of certain vitamins, especially the fat-soluble ones like A, D, E, and K, can actually harm you. It's the nutritional equivalent of putting way too much oil in a car because you thought more equals better. Your body doesn't flush those out. It stores them. And suddenly your healthy routine becomes a toxic hobby. Supplements should, supplement. But somehow a balanced diet turned into take 12 gummies and pray. Spoiler, no gummy can fix sleep deprivation and stress. Number 11. Only eat clean foods. Ah, clean eating. The phrase that makes kale feel morally superior to pizza. It sounds noble, like you're detoxing your soul through quinoa. But in reality, it often leads to orthorexia, a sneaky eating disorder where you obsess over being perfectly healthy. You start fearing normal food like it's radioactive, and suddenly your social life dies because the restaurant's chicken wasn't grass-fed by monks. The irony? Your gut microbiome loves variety. A little sugar, some fats, even junk food here and there. It keeps your bacteria diverse and your immune system alert. Go too clean, and you're basically starving your microscopic roommates. So next time someone judges your fries, just remind them, diversity is health, even for your stomach's ecosystem. Number 12. Detox everything. Ah, the grand finale. Detox teas, detox smoothies, detox foot pads. It's all nonsense dressed in cucumber water. Your body already has a detox system. It's called your liver, kidneys, and lungs. You don't need to flush out toxins. That's literally their full-time job. What these detox fads actually do is dehydrate you, strip nutrients, or trick you into thinking starvation is self-care. Your body's like, oh great, another juice cleanse. I'll just eat my own muscles then. Here's the dirty secret. If a product claims it can cleanse your body, it's probably cleansing your wallet instead. Drink water, eat real food, and let your organs do the job they were designed for.